Hi and welcome back on my channel Digital Toolcase. Today I was playing a bit with Jasper AI and Frase because I want to try something. It's an experiment to see if I can use Jasper to write some good SEO paragraphs for an article using Phrase's suggestions, so the keywords and the NLP and LSI words that Phrase gives me. If you don't know Phrase and Jasper, please check my other videos here on my channel. If you want, subscribe to my channel, and you will find even links here below to my others videos where I review these tools, these AI tools. So I don't have a blog where I write in English because I'm Italian, so I only write in Italian usually. So I took a piece of article I found online. It's talking about the 20 best things to do in Italy. I just copied here a part of this article, the first three suggestions. So they are Rome, the capital, Florence, the art city, and Pisa. Here it's the fourth suggestion of this article, and it's Venice, the romantic city. If you know how Phrase works, you know that here I have some suggestions. These are the words that I need to include in my article if I want to optimize it for on-page SEO and make it more relevant for the query. The query is best things to do in Italy in this case. As you can see, I actually have a 12% of SERP score. But now I need to, let's suppose I need to write a paragraph about Venice, the romantic city. What I can do, I can even do it here in Phrase, but today I want to show you, I hope, even how Jasper can help you. Maybe you already have Jasper and want to use Phrase only for optimized articles, because in this case you don't even need the SEO add-on of a Phrase, you just need the basic version. So let's say I want to write something about Venice and include some of these words using AI. I can, for example, I'm just trying this. I didn't try before. Let's go in clusters and let's see what are the clusters. Okay, I can see here gondola ride. It's relevant to Venice because if you go to Venice, you obviously want to take a gondola ride, so this is relevant. What I can do, for example, I want to try this. I can go here in Jasper. I copied even here my piece of article. Let's try with command. For example, with the boss mode command, something like write a paragraph about Venice, including the keyword gondola ride. I just want to see if this is a way I can include, for example, that keyword, that word inside this paragraph. Venice is one of the most romantic cities in Italy. You can experience this by taking a gondola ride. Here it is. So now I copy this little paragraph here and I paste it here in Phrase. And as you can see, my SERP score just went from 12 to 15 because I included these terms. I can even, for example, I'm searching here, I think San Marco, Piazza San Marco. This is a Venice place. And even this, let's try to include Piazza San Marco, for example, maybe in the same paragraph. Let's see if just clicking on compose, maybe Jasper will include it by itself. Okay, here I don't see it, so I can, for example, do something like this. I go here and say expand the above paragraph, including the keyword Piazza San Marco. And let's see if Jasper can make something like this. Another must-see in Venice is the Piazza San Marco. Visit its beautiful basilica and the clock tower. Okay, so this is another piece that I can paste here, for example. I'm just trying to see what happens. And okay, now we are at 17%. This is a way you can use both Jasper and Frase together. Jasper to write your article and Frase to optimize your article. So you can do your search in a Frase about your query, see what kind of words you need to include in your article to make it SEO relevant in your SERP, and use this trick to train in some way Jasper to write what you want. Let's try to do the same thing using, for example, the new paragraph generator. I did a video about this some days ago. You can find it here on my channel. Now let's make this in English. Okay. Write a paragraph about. Let's try to do something like this. Write a paragraph about Venice, the romantic Italian city. Let's say including. I can even say write a paragraph about, I think here I can even place something like a command, including the keywords gondola ride and Piazza San Marco. Let's see if, or maybe I can even find something different. Let me check. Okay, I found even the word waters, because if you know Venice, you know it's built on water. So we can even try to include this. Let's see if I can exaggerate and place 3 different keywords. I don't know if it's working. Here I can even place keywords to include. So let's try first like this, without using this keyword field, but including the keyword here. And let's see if it works. It's a test. I'm really curious about this. So this is our output. Let me paste it here so I can read it better. Venice is a city like no other. Its unique setting, a collection of islands in a lagoon of the Adriatic Sea, lends it a romantic, otherworldly air. Visitors can explore the narrow alleyways and canals by foot or by gondola. Here we have the word gondola. It's not gondola ride, but it's gondola, getting a taste of the city, fabled history along the way. No trip to Venice is complete without a visit to Piazza San Marco, and here we have our second keyword. The city's iconic public square, ringed by pricey cafes and shops, the piazza is nevertheless worth a visit for its stunning architecture, including the Basilica di San Marco and the Palazzo Ducale. And of course, no description of Venice will be complete without a mention of its waters. Here it is. Whether you're watching and so on. So we have the word waters and the word Piazza San Marco. They are complete, and we have gondola. It's not really gondola ride, but even gondola, just gondola was one of the words we could include into our article. So let's try to copy this into phrase. I replace this. Let's make it a paragraph. Okay. We have the word gondola and we have the word waters, as you can see. This is another way. Let's try to make the same thing using only keywords here. Gondola ride, Piazza San Marco, and waters. And let's see if there's some kind of difference. Okay, here is my new paragraph. Let's paste it here. Venice is one of the most romantic cities in the world with its gondola rides. Okay, here it is. It's plural, but here it is, gondola ride. And picturesque Piazza San Marco. Here it is. The city is built on a network of canals and waters. Okay, so we have all three these keywords. It seems it's working. So I can use Jasper AI to write my article if I want, and use phrase suggestions to include these words, these keywords into my article using the generation of artificial intelligence. So this is a very good way to use Jasper AI and Frase together, because Jasper is a very good AI writer and Frase is a perfect SEO optimizing tool. This will make your article more relevant in the SERP, so you will rank higher. And if you want to see some of my results using this kind of tools, using Frase, I can go here in my analytics. This is always my small blog. I started this blog in last summer of 2021, and watch every month my total clicks to the site go up and up and up. We are in the last week. This is the last month. Sorry. As you can see, results are coming month after month. This is how Jasper and Frase work together. So if you want, you can find here below my video my links. They are affiliate links. So if you will use it, I'm very happy and thank you, obviously. You can try Jasper for free. You have 10,000 words to use in 5 days. No reason not to try it. And you can even try Frase if you want for, I think, 7 days. You just need to go with my link on this page and you can try it and try to optimize maybe an article that you already have. I hope this video has been useful for you. If you want, please subscribe to my channel, like the video, click on the bell so you will receive notifications about new videos about these tools. Thank you very much and see you soon in another video.